Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. I've had a special request from Sophie to draw an orca. So this is the picture of the orca that we're going to be producing. Get yourself some paper. You'll need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen and something round to draw around. So I've just been using this bowl here because it's about the right size. And don't forget, if you like drawing animals, you can download my free PDF, which you'll find in the link just above here, of how to draw horse galloping. Let's get started. Okay, so start off with putting your bowl right at the bottom of the page and drawing around it. Remember to do this lightly in pencil. I'm only pressing quite hard just because you can see it on camera. So if you can imagine the midway mark going through your circle here, if you just go a little bit higher and just put a little X there, and then on the same level as this one, but on the other side, not quite touching this side, we're going to put another little X here. Okay, now we're going to draw those, we're going to draw a curved line, between those two little X's. And a really top tip for drawing a curved line, if you keep your wrist in one position and you only move your hand like that, that makes it really easy to draw a curved line. So just use that motion. I'm going to do the same here. So very lightly, all the way down. Okay. Just like that. We're going to bring another line coming down like so. Just like this. Okay, now we're going to be doing the fin at the top. Remember, if I go too quickly, please just pause the video and rewind. Okay, and we're going to be doing another one down here. Different shape this time. Okay, you with me? Fantastic. Now for the tail, it's going to be a triangle but at an angle, so just bring it down like this, up like this, and up like that. Okay, now we're just going to put in some markings. So there's a big white patch here, and then there's a big white patch here. Go, and then the very famous white patch here, like that, and then the little blowhole here. Okay, so now still in pencil, I'm just going to perfect the shape. So I can see that the actual body comes down a little bit further and comes around like this, and the tail isn't actually a triangle. Actually got some shape to it, so we're just going to get rid of our preparatory lines there. Don't erase them too much, just so that you can still see underneath where we put them. This has this lovely shape, so it dips down there and goes up at the middle, and then the same on the other side, dips down and goes up. There we go, just like so. And then I'm just going to perfect the tummy. Again, don't erase it too much. We're just going to make it a little bit slimmer up here and a little bit bigger down here. There we go. It's just looking a little bit more realistic now. There we go. That's all done. So the last thing to do is to erase all the pencil markings, and we're going to go over it in black pen. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. So there's your finished orca. I've left some reflective parts just where the light catches the top of the orca, just there on the fin and on the tail, a little bit there. So if you really want to finish it off, you can colour in the sea, and then you can spray some little splatterings of white paint. Sometimes I use an old toothbrush, and you can just flick the white paint just to make it look as if it's coming out the waves, and there's lots of sea spray. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please hit subscribe and like, and if you've got any requests, please pop them in the comment section below. Hope to see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.